What's going on, everybody? Setting 007 here, working on the SL 500 Mercedes, the R129. I'm just showing you how to remove the rear cover for the tail lights. I'm working on the passenger side here. As you can see, this is the cover for the rear tail light. So what you need to do is there's a piece here that you're going to hook in, and all you gotta do is press that, and then it's going to release it. And then the end piece over here, you're going to pull it this way, and it just kind of angles, kind of like a swivel. So you see, there's a hinge that it swivels, and that's how you can get that off. It can come off the swivel hinge. Once you swivel it out all the way, you just pull it towards the middle, just like that. And then you're going to unhook the piece here. There's a connection here that you're going to unhook, and you're going to unhook that by squeezing the two ends. You're going to squeeze the two ends and pull out. It's hard to do it with one hand. You're going to squeeze the two ends, rock it, and pull it at the same time, and that's how you get it. And this is what it looks like with all the bulbs, in case you need to change the brake bulbs, the reverse light, turn signals. And this is what it looks like from the inside for the Mercedes R129 SL model. And this is just the outside as well. Like and subscribe.